Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mode. Happy to see you here. Really interesting equation today. We have 5 to the x equal to 20 and we need to find our x. How can we do this? Of course, if we have situation like that, if we have a power, we can easily try to find our answer using logarithm. So let's do this. Let's take log from both of the sides. We will have log 5 to the x on the left hand side and equal to log 20. Log 20. So what we're going to do next, take a look closely. This x goes right here because this is the main log property. This is why logarithm is really good to this case, because this x jump right here in the beginning. So what we will have x times log x log 5 equal to log 20. So I hope you understand this step. This is maybe the main difficulties in this problem. We need to bring x right here, right here we need to multiply it. So what we're going to do next, take a look, log 5, this is a constant, so we can easily divide by this log 5. This log 5 is not equal to 0, so we can divide both sides by this log 5. If we divide the left hand side by this log 5, we will have only our x. On the right hand side we have log 20 over log 5. And it looks like final answer, but moreover we can simplify this a little bit, because this 20, it's really good to write this 20 as log 4 times 5. We can do this. We just write this log 20 as 4 times 5s. But why this is good for us? Because we need to know a really good logarithm property. If we have a log of a product, so right here we have a product, so we can write it as a sum of two logarithms. First one with this number 4, log 4, and plus log 5. And this rule go in a reverse way, so we can easily multiply it and have log 20 in the back. So over log 5. Over log 5. So I hope you understand this step. We just use logarithm property, logarithm rule right here. So it will be equal to, take a look closely, we can easily divide by parts, so you can easily divide this element by this one. We will have log 4 over log 4 over log 5, and right here plus log 5 over log 5. And if you look closely to this one is the same. So we can easily cancel it, and right here we'll have 1 as a result. So this element log 4 over log 5 and plus 1. And it's look like final answer, but we can simplify this one step. Take a look what step it will be. We can write it this 4 as 2 square. So as a result log 2 square over log 5 and plus 1. Why this is really good for us? Because this 2 goes right here in the beginning. So as a result we can write our final answer. We will have 2 log 2 over log 5 and plus 1. And this will be our final answer. Really interesting question, a lot of logarithm property right here, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for your support, I really appreciate it. If you subscribe, if you put thumbs up, if you write any comment, it's really important for me, because I try to make content every day and it inspires me a lot to make new interesting videos. Past year I make new videos every day and it helps me a lot to see your feedback. It's really important for me. Thank you so much for more and have a great day. Take care.